Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Yes, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Yes, and in today's video, I'm doing a video of how to create a Gmail account for someone who does not know how to do that. Yeah, it may look like it's not necessary, but let me tell you, there are people out there who don't know how to use smartphones at all. Yeah, so this goes to someone who doesn't even know to do anything. I'm here, I got you. So start by creating an okay, for me I have so many emails at the moment, but if you don't have any email on your phone, it take you straight to the create amos or sign up page. But since I have so many emails, I'm going to add. So I'm adding, but in real sense I want to show you how to create. So I'll go to Google. So if you don't have any email on your phone, this is how it will be when you click on Gmail. It will have this interface. So you'll just have to choose Google or Yahoo if you want, or you want. So this is where you have to sign up. Sign up when you have an email. One has popped already, but I want us to create. Yes, so we apparently this option has been updated, whereby previously we used not to have these two. It only used to take us to the name, but apparently we have to choose, sorry, if it's from our personal email or it's for work or business. So I'm going to choose personal email. This moment I'm going to choose get any name. So let me put how to create. So you can use this as the first name and this as your second name, the surname. So depending, so it can be Alice, Amy down here, or you can be Joel, Waswa, or you can be Akinyi, Sarah here. So next, we are going to put in a birth of date. So I'm going to choose any. I want to put my real age, but of course I'm looking at an age year that is not under 18. And then next is the gender. You're female, you're male, rather not to say. If you don't want to mention, it's okay. Customized is still okay. So I'm going to choose female. Next. So these are the emails I've gotten with what I had put. Create how to C22. So I'm going to try something different. I don't want to use my name, but okay, let me try to use how to create. Let me see if this is taken. The username is taken, so I'll have to add 2024. Let me see. It's also taken. 2025. It's not taken. So it's normally that small thing. So I'll have to put in the password. Let me remove the numbers. So I'll have to put in the password. Let me see. It has to be of 8 characters. They say mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, had just used letters. So I'm going to use letters, symbol, and numbers. So I can see my email, how to was my username and first name and second name. Then the email is how to create 2025 at Gmail. Let's go to the next. For as long as reach here, it has agreed. So next, let's see the next thing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Take a minute and leave a comment. Tell me if this video has been helpful to you. So yeah, we already have the email. So I'm going to still come here and look for the email. So once you do that, it's done. It's here. You see, it's here. It's the email. It's just here. It's here. Yes, so I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.